Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2014 Volkswagen Tiguan. And on this Volkswagen Tiguan we're going to go over where you would find the VIN numbers. So we have one that's on the center column of this vehicle. So you would open up the door to easily see it better. Maybe you have to open up both doors. This is the VIN placard that gives you all the information about the vehicle, manufacturer, where it was made, and all that type of information can be essentially decoded from this placard. So that's the one on the center console. Then you're going to have one that's at the bottom of the window. Show you that one that's in the engine bay. Sometimes you may have more that are on other parts of the car. They're either quickly visible or they're behind other components. But with the matching this one to the one in the window and another one, you can definitely verify whether things have been changed or not changed on your vehicle. Here's the one that's just at the bottom of the windshield on your driver's side, and so you would verify that this one matches the one that's on the door placard, and that's a good start there. And then there is one that's in the engine bay. You have to remove a little cover to get to that. I'll show you how to do that. So with our hood raised up and on the right hand side of the vehicle or passenger side, we have this cover here that we need to pop up, and on top of the strut is where a third VIN number is, or the VIN code that's inside the engine bay to match with your vehicle. So that we got a little clip right here. You just need to pop that off. You can just pull it off, and then you can pull this up, and right in there it's got a little piece of tape on it. Focused in better now, but it has a little piece of tape protection on it. But that is the VIN code that is in your engine bay. Like I said, it's on top of the right hand side strut mount under this cowl in here. So those are the three locations, quick locations of VIN codes on your vehicle on this 2014 Volkswagen Tiguan. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.